What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have some huge news that I want to share with you guys. But first, I did receive a package today. Not this one, that's for Ryan. I'm talking about this one. Clearly you can see lithium ion batteries, and on the other side, Duracell lithium ion jump starter 1100. This company here, Battery Biz Inc., they wanted me to review their jump starter. Apparently it can jump start a V8 engine up to 25 times, which is ridiculous because a lot of the small jump packs that you guys see on the market will be able to jump like up to either a V6 or some of them can't even jump that. They'll only be able to jump 4 cylinders. So there is a lot of power behind this guy here. They wanted me to do a review. I think I'm gonna make another video separately, but let's tear into this thing and see what it looks like. So actually, when we first opened up here, they did write me a little note there. That's kind of cool. And then they have some other paperwork with the shipping and stuff like that. Jump starting technique. Obviously just some instruction manual. And oh, I thought this was, oh, okay. And here you go, guys. So it is really small. You can see compared to my hand. So for comparison, this is my iPhone 7 Plus. It's about as tall, but width-wise, it's probably a little bit thinner. 4 cylinders, 6 cylinders, 8 cylinders. You know, just something to have in your truck, your car, boat. Charges your cell phone. Has a flashlight built into it, which is really nice. And I'm gonna get into this a whole different video, do a whole review on it. But I just wanted to unbox that because it came in today to show you guys a little sneak peek of what's to come. Again, super excited to try this thing out. I think they run $100, $99. But they are running a sale on them right now. They are $79. I think for $79, this is just, it's nice to have with you no matter what. These are very useful. They don't take up a lot of space, so it's just something you can just throw into your car. All right, so now that we got that unboxing out of the way, where does that leave us? The big news that we have been working on behind the scenes, and obviously it has to do with cars, Jeeps, trucks, and Ryan and I are super excited to announce that we are going to SEMA. Before I get too far ahead of myself, let's take a little drive, find a place to talk a little bit more about what's going on and what's been happening and why I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. Looks like we're gonna need to get some gas here first, so let's go ahead and get that out of the way. I think that's one thing I want to make a video on too, gas mileage and how much I pay probably per month in gas. Right now the price for regular is $2.21. I've been averaging on the back roads with my manual transmission about 18.5 to 19 miles per gallon. I travel to Cleveland quite often, and when I do go up there, if I fill a tank up, I can average you know, low to mid 20s on the highway. So again, that might be another video that I get into, talk to you guys about, see what kind of gas mileage you're getting, what price gas is where you are. Alright, so here we are. We made it to one of my favorite destinations here. This is Hoover Dam here in Ohio. It's a nice little private lot back here. The sun sets fairly quickly here now that it's just about winter time, so you're gonna have to bear with me. In the next couple videos, you know, coming up in the winter, they're gonna be some dark videos, but hey, that's just what I have to deal with as soon as I get out of work. So SEMA, Ryan and I are super excited. I've been invited to go to the 2018 SEMA Show out in Las Vegas. We are so pumped. This is something we've been wanting to do for years now. For those of you who don't know, SEMA is the biggest aftermarket parts show in the world. They have all sorts of cars, trucks. A lot of manufacturers will be out there as well. Kia was out there last year. That's when they had the Stinger out there. People were test driving it, watching them launch. But a lot of big name aftermarket parts companies as well. There's going to be lift companies like BDS. There's going to be tire companies like Nitto or Toyo. There's going to be fuel will be out there, drop stars, those wheels. A lot of aftermarket parts companies, big and small. Everybody's going to show off their new products. So on my Instagram, probably the question I get most often is, okay, you've had this Jeep for a little while. Clearly I've been making videos on it, posting on Instagram, all this stuff. Why isn't there a lift kit on here yet? And why aren't there bigger tires and wheels? That is because I did know I was going to the SEMA show this year. I did not want to just jump right into it and do the 2.5 inch ready lift or do the 2-inch Mopar lift just right out of the gate, because a lot of people were doing the same thing. I did want to do something a little bit bigger. Everybody was throwing 35s on there. Again, I wanted to do some 37s, and then wheels. Really, it came down to wheels. I did find a few sets of wheels that I liked. Not that I have anything against, you know, the factory Rubicon wheels. They're really nice, but really it did come down to wheels. I was between a few sets, and when I was, you know, trying to decide between a few sets, and in one of my videos I have said I'm about to order my wheels after I post this video. That didn't happen because Ryan and I got to talking, and he's like, dude, why don't you just wait till SEMA? There will be a ton of new options, wheels that people haven't even seen yet, wheels that have not been released yet by companies. So as I got to thinking, I'm like, you know, that makes a lot of sense. So you know what? I'm gonna wait for the lift kit too, because I'm not gonna just roll around on stock wheels and tires. The reason being, I'm gonna go bigger than 17s, so it wouldn't make any sense for me to buy 2 sets of 37s, one to fit the 17s and another to fit something else bigger. I do tend to stick to certain manufacturers. There are a lot of lift companies that you know, cheap out on their build quality, so it's something I have to get in my hands, see what the kit's made out of, how sturdy the parts are and stuff like that. I've always been a huge fan of BDS lift kits and their little brother Zone. Greatly manufactured, parts fit correctly. There's really no need to like saw anything or cut anything off your vehicle. So I get the question about the lift kit, wheels, tires, you know, all that kind of stuff, but I do want to meet with Lumar, talk to them about some of their window tints, some new technology that they might be coming out with, look at lights, tail lights. I know there's not a lot of aftermarket taillights for the JL, maybe some roof racks, stuff like that, all kinds of stuff. And I know that there's not a lot out for the JL, and that's what makes this show so exciting. This body style was between last year's SEMA and this year's SEMA, so there are a lot of companies, I'm going to guess, that have been waiting to release products for this Wrangler specifically until the show. So once the show comes out, they're going to debut all their whole new line of JL stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and say that there is going to be a ton of new modifications that are going to be done. Another thing I'm looking for is bumpers. I don't mind the Rubicon steel bumper. I didn't opt for that, obviously, because I wanted to save the money, because I knew that I was going to switch that out. That is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Just some big news with SEMA videos coming, so please stay tuned for that. I will be posting a lot about stuff that we've seen out at SEMA, people that we're meeting. I'm really looking forward to meeting some performance parts guys, so intakes, superchargers, even from RIP superchargers, exhausts, all kinds of stuff. So again, more performance stuff, also more appearance stuff. I do want to get a roof rack, preferably one I do not have to drill through my hardtop, because if I mess it up, I don't want to buy a new hardtop. But yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys in on the loop. Why I have not been making videos is because I haven't ordered anything to make videos on. Show you what SEMA is all about. And all the crazy builds. There are absolutely insane builds for trucks that are like, you know, 16, 17-inch lifts, and they're just ridiculous. Some of the builds for Jeeps are just insane. Cars, even the coolest stuff you could ever see. You will see it at SEMA. Again, SEMA is in just about a week, so stay tuned for those videos. I can't wait to get out there and show you guys and bring you guys along for the ride. So the sun has just about set over the water here, so we're just gonna warp back home real fast. There's one more thing I want to talk to you guys about. So this grill, I was going to sell it, maybe I still will, I'm not sure, but somebody that was contacting me on Instagram when I posted it said, why don't you do a giveaway? As you guys can see, we are at 3,246 subscribers, and I thank you guys so much for that. Should we do a giveaway? I'm asking you guys, should I try and sell this? It's for a JK. I want to make that clear. This is actually for a JK. You can see the marker lights down here, which clearly I don't have because they're up on there. So JL grill, this one is for a JK. Again, it's matte black. It's really nice. I've done these before. You just have to pop these lights out, put them in this grill, and then you guys will be all set. So I'm asking you guys, should I give it away at 4,000 or 5,000? Leave a comment below. What do you guys think? We talked about SEMA. We talked about this grill that I might do a giveaway. I might try and sell. You guys decide, 4,000 or 5,000 subscribers. I'm feeling 5 to 5,000 subscriber giveaway personally. I can't believe we've already made it to 3,200. That's insane to me that so many of you guys tune into the channel and watch my videos. It really means so much to me. But if we can make it to 5, I think that'll be absolutely awesome. So maybe we'll do the 5,000. I don't know. You guys get down there, let me know. Do you guys want it sooner? Maybe we'll do the 4,000. Also on Instagram, we are at 700 followers. I don't post on there too much because I'm trying to keep the content fresh for you guys. I don't want to keep posting you the same pictures of things that I've done the same day, just different angles and all this stuff. But we are just under 1,000 followers. So anyways guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for being along with me on this build. I know it's been so slow recently, but again, I've been waiting for this show. Want to see all the new products that are coming out. There will be a ton of new content in the upcoming weeks. But for now, I do have that Duracell jump starter. I'll probably do a video on that soon. I will leave a link in the description below if you guys already want to jump the gun. Jump on that sale. It's 20 bucks off, from $99 to $79, and it's a heck of a deal for a little jump pack. But again, if you guys want to jump the gun, get on that sale. I will leave a link in the description below, and then I will also leave a link to Amazon. Sometimes you can find them cheaper even on there than what the sale price is, so I'll leave an Amazon link below as well if you guys want to check that thing out. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Thank you so much for 3,200 subscribers, just under 1,000 subscribers on Instagram. If you guys want to shoot over there and follow me, it is MOJITO Ohio on Instagram. I can't wait to get out to Vegas and show you guys what all is going on at the SEMA Show. I'm seeing some of the trucks that are going out there, and it is they're just absolutely mind-blowing. Thank you guys again, and we'll catch you in the next one.